The wind nearly took my DJI Neo 2 away from me. As you can see, I'm near some cliffs and the drone just stopped. I tried putting it in forward and the wind was just too high, so I had to flick it in sports mode to see if that would solve the problem, and it didn't to start with. It was being blown around a lot. I nearly parked it on the side of the cliff, but I was really careful, but it was sketchy. I only had like 2 minutes battery left to get it home. It was so windy up here. I'd say probably like 30-40 mile an hour, maybe a little bit more. So my tactic was to flick it into sports mode and then bring the drone down to a better height and then try and get it back. So as you can see, I'm fighting with the wind at the minute. Only 2 minutes battery left. The return to home was going to kick in, but it would have taken it up a little bit too high. So I did manage to get it back down to a lower level. I was so happy when it got to a better level, and then I brought it down along the beach at a lesser height with less wind. Beautiful place here, New Aberdour in Aberdeenshire, Scotland. I'm going to make a full cinematic video. Obviously this is just kind of like B-roll, so yeah. I'd say the DJI Neo 2 it's pretty decent in the wind, but obviously around cliffs and stuff like that, maybe not. But I was surprised that I managed to get it back, so thankfully it lives to have another flight. But yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I make drone videos around the Aberdeenshire coast of Scotland. I also have a small holding with some horses and a rescue dog called Freya, who's becoming really popular on the channel. Thanks everyone. Cheers. Have a great day. Bye bye.